Hey guys, Toto Tech here, and today we're going to be doing a PC build. So I already put all the stuff I struggle with already in the case. So we just got our power supply that just came in, and our UX 100 Thermaltake CPU cooler rated at 1,800 RPM. So let's get right into it. So we're gonna just, I have to use a screwdriver, I'm sorry about that. Alrighty. Actually, having trouble. For some reason, this keeps pulling the. Okay. And now we're gonna start screwing this all in. I did put this fan facing down, I'm pretty sure. Did I? Alright. What are you doing? You can talk. I didn't say you couldn't talk. Just said, hey, record this for me.
Cameramen don't talk.
Oh. Some do.
Hold this.
It's my brother. He's checking something out.
Yeah, it's upside down.
Right. Oh. I really need to unscrew these. This is kind of weird. Should I just do this one? Yeah. Why is it not fitting?
Hold this.
Oh, there we go. All right. We heard that click. So, looks like we just got a loose cable, which isn't bad. It's just going to get annoying. Okay, 4-pin. Good try. Also, there will be game benchmarks to show you guys the temperature of everything. Call of Duty is definitely going to be one of them. I'm on Fortnite probably. I just have to reinstall it. Ooh. Alright, we're going to have to gonna for some reason this doesn't look plugged in, but I'm motherboard because I didn't know my cooler would be that difficult. Because I've been at it for like over an hour, which isn't good, but you know, if you don't struggle, then, well, then you must be a god. Alright, so I'm taking out my things, I'm gonna redo it. Alright. So we're also gonna take off our bracket and redo what needs to be done. Motherboard. Alright, this is a lot easier, guys. Ugh. Actually can't see. Why is this so off? I don't know why. God, that was so much easier. All right, so installation wise of how much struggle I've had doing this, I would give it a solid 99.9% struggle. Because when it was in the case, I was having so much trouble, and now it's so much easier. Alright, we also have to pull out our RAM. Alright. Ooh. That takes some pure strength. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna quickly check we didn't break anything. Yeah, we're all good. All right. So, this cable is unreasonably long. And I don't want to reinstall this, but guys. Okay, so everything is working perfectly fine. The RAM, I already went into the BIOS and all that. I thought I recorded it, but apparently I wasn't recording. But everything is working perfectly. So this was a successful build. Reason why I already have stuff on here is because I've been, instead of getting a new hard drive and SSD, I decided to just use my old ones because they're pretty new, and I didn't want to re-download everything. So yeah, but everything is working perfectly. So yeah.
For vehicle go.
Flying in on top of the. I think I hit it.
Fuck you, pussy. Damn.